Dear insurance companies, anorexia is the most deadly of all psychiatric disorders. 20% of people below the poverty guidelines will die from this disorder without getting the treatment they need. 80% of people with anorexia die by suicide. Medical complications, the other 20% die by suicide. We shouldn't have to be on our deathbed or look deathly thin to receive the treatment. You shouldn't be allowed to use flawed medical necessity criteria that is only internal to determine the treatment we deserve and need. We shouldn't have to fail at a lower level of care before you will approve the recommended level of care that is recommended by our providers. We shouldn't have to cycle in and out of inpatient treatments like a revolving door to have them have us gain a few pounds and send us back to outpatient because you offer no alternatives. Eating disorders cause a whole host of medical conditions that can be prevented if you would just pay for the treatment we need. Bone loss is one of many. For women who have their period and lose it, or women who never have their period because their eating disorder started in puberty, this is inevitable. Eating disorders do not have a specific look. You don't have to be deathly thin to have an eating disorder. BMI and weight criteria are a load of crap. Someone's treatment should not be based solely on their weight, BMI, or lab work. An eating disorder is a mental illness after all. You need to pay for the treatment we need, or people will and do die. Sincerely, someone who suffers from an eating disorder.